Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best food containers is probably one of the most versatile kitchen essentials, perfect for meal prepping, storing leftovers, or packing lunches. But with so many options available, choosing the right ones can be a challenge. In this video, we'll dive into the world of plastic disposable containers with lids, exploring their features, benefits, and what to look for when making your selection, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. Meal prep containers with lids. These two-compartment containers are perfect for meal prepping. They are leak-proof and airtight, keeping your food fresh and making your life easier. Great for work, travel, or takeout, this set meets all your needs. You can pack lunches, store leftovers, or prep meals for the week. The containers are designed to withstand bending, twisting, and temperature changes. The airtight, leak-proof lids keep your food safe and secure. This 50-pack set includes 32-ounce containers with lids to separate your food. They are stackable, lightweight, and easy to store. You can reheat or freeze them, and they're dishwasher safe. Made with food-grade PP plastics, these containers are BPA-free and microwavable. They are durable, flexible, and easy to clean. If you have any issues, customer service is available to help. What we like. These containers are designed for effortless meal prepping with separate compartments. The airtight and leak-proof design keeps your food fresh and secure. If you're looking for a convenient solution for packing lunches, leftovers, or takeout, this is a great choice. What people say. They are perfect for meal prepping. The lids fit very securely. They are a great size for leftovers. Number 4. Stock Your Home 16-ounce plastic containers, 10-pack. Tired of bulky containers? These screw-top plastic containers are designed to stack, maximizing your kitchen space. They are perfect for storing leftovers efficiently. Worried about spills? These containers feature airtight, twist-on lids, perfect for sauces and soups. The lids also keep your food fresh, reducing waste. Made from food-grade plastic, these containers are built to last. They are microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, making them incredibly versatile. From meal prep to storing leftovers, these soup storage containers are perfect for various needs. Each container even includes the serving size for easy portion control. Get 10 16-ounce containers with lids in this bulk pack. Each container measures 4.75 inches in diameter and 3.25 inches high when assembled. It's a great value. What we like. These containers feature a space-saving design that allows them to stack within themselves. The twist-top lids create an airtight seal, preventing spills and keeping food fresh. If you are looking for a compact and reliable solution for storing leftovers and sauces, you should consider this. What people say. They are perfect for meal prepping. These containers are great for storing leftovers. The lids fit very well and don't leak. Number 3. DuraHome Food Storage Containers Combo Pack. Introducing the DuraHome Food Storage Containers. This combo pack includes 44 sets of containers and lids in 3 convenient sizes. They are perfect for all your storage needs. These containers are clear, so you can easily see what's inside. The tight sealing lids ensure airtight and leak-proof storage, keeping your food fresh. These containers are designed for your convenience. You can safely use them in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, top rack. The lids are also interchangeable between sizes. They are excellent for storing soups, salads, snacks, and leftovers. But that's not all. You can also use them for homemade slime, crafts, and small items. These sturdy containers are made of BPA-free polypropylene, ensuring they are safe for everyday use. They are designed to withstand freezing temperatures and are reusable. They are ideal for lunchboxes, meal prep, portion control, and travel. A great lightweight alternative to glass containers. If you're not satisfied, contact us. What we like. This combo pack offers a variety of sizes to suit different needs. The tight sealing lids ensure airtight and leak-proof storage. If you need a versatile set for storing soups, snacks, and leftovers, this is a great option. What people say. They are perfect for meal prepping. These are great for storing leftovers. The lids fit very well and are easy to put on and take off. Number 2. Portion cups with lids, 2 ounces, 100 pack. These clear containers are perfect for both home and business use. They are the ideal size for various items like samples, condiments, and even pills. You'll find countless ways to utilize them. If you frequently eat on the go or pack lunch for work, you'll appreciate these sauce cups with lids. It eliminates the need to carry small sauces and treats in large containers. It's convenient and practical. Each pack includes snap-on lids to match the containers. These lids create an airtight seal, so you can be confident that there will be no leaks or spills. It's designed for your peace of mind. We understand that your cabinets are probably full of containers. These small cups are stackable, so they won't occupy much space when you store them. It's a space-saving solution. These snack cups are made from food-safe, BPA-free plastic. This plastic is durable and crack-resistant. They're also eco-friendly and recyclable, so you can easily dispose of them responsibly. What we like. These small containers are perfect for portion control, ideal for sauces, dressings, and snacks. The snap-on lids provide an airtight seal, preventing leaks and spills. If you are on the go and need a convenient way to pack small portions, you should consider this. What people say. They are great for meal prepping. The lids fit very well. These are perfect for storing leftovers. Number 1. Stack Man 5.5 ounces. Portion cups with lids. These portion containers are perfect for any purpose. Made of durable, crack-resistant polypropylene, they are ideal for diverse dining and carry-out applications. This package comes with 100 sets of cups and lids. It's easy to stock up and always have what you need on hand. The easy-to-close, leak-proof lids form an airtight seal. This ensures long-lasting freshness and prevents freezer burn. The crystal-clear appearance offers a premium look. It showcases your food beautifully, driving impulse sales. Maintaining good portion control cuts down on waste. This 5.5 ounces cup is a great way to provide a consistent amount for customers, efficiently and effectively. What we like. These containers offer the perfect portion size for various applications. The airtight seal ensures long-lasting freshness and prevents freezer burn. If you want to showcase your food with a premium look, you should consider this. What people say. The cups were sturdy, easy to fill, and had a sleek, simple look that matched the beachy theme of the event. What I loved most was the included lids, which made them super convenient for guests to grab and go. They're well made and the lids fit extremely well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.